Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting up workspaces in Trello. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating and organizing workspaces within Trello, allowing you to streamline your projects and collaborate efficiently. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, managing a team, or coordinating multiple projects, mastering workspaces in Trello can revolutionize your workflow. From the drop-down menu, choose Create Workspace. Enter the name for your workspace. This could be the name of your project, team, or any designation that suits your needs. If your workspace is set to private, you can invite members by entering their email addresses. They will receive an invitation to join the workspace. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.